What if sabihin ko sa'yo na hindi mo kailangang maging milyonaryo para magkaroon ng sariling single detached unit? Hindi clustered unit, hindi townhouse, pero bahay at lote with extra space for less than 4 million pesos. Plus, malapit pa siya sa lahat ng kailangan mo like Padre Pio, SM, SNR, schools, hospitals, Star Tollway entrance and exit, and many other convenient places. Mayroon kang cozy bedrooms na perfect para sa pahinga after a long day. At eto ang pinakamagandang part. For less than 4 million pesos, possible nang magkaroon ka ng ganitong klaseng bahay nang hindi kailangang sumabak sa sobrang mahal na monthly payments. And if you're interested, call me today.